Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Mavic Mini. This is the 2019 edition. This is the combo pack as well. Retails for $500. You can get it for about $400 without the combo pack, but I decided to get the combo pack because it is more money for your more value for your money, sorry. So let's get into the box first. You have the specifications. This is the lightest of the DJI series, weighing at about half a pound. It has 30 minutes of flight time, 4K of vision sensor, and practicing mode. 3-axis gimbal. I really like DJI's products because they're really nice and you get a lot of different things. This one, it comes with 3 rechargeable batteries, charging station, extra propellers, the remote, this little practicing part, or for more stabilization basically. Let's get on to the product. Just some more information here. Yeah, for more information. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. I've got a little knife. I really like these products a lot, guys. They have the other version, DJI Mavic Pro, and that retails for about $1,000, $1,500. This one I feel like is better because if you want portability, then go for this one. You get more, well, you don't get more battery life, but portability is really good if you want those. On the Mavic Pro, I believe you can add your own camera, like a DSLR or something. So if you want like super high quality shots, then you can do that. So here it is. It's a big box. There's another tape seal here. There we go. Let's get into it. So here it is. You have the carrying pouch. Very nice high quality fabric material here. This is like a gray sandstone. Right here you have probably the contents of what's inside. It's kind of hard to open and close. Yeah, pretty much just tells you about what the material is made out of, but it looks really nice. And right here, let's go through this first. This is the this is accessory 6, but this is what it has. It has a little picture on here and a pull tab. That looks cool. We'll open that in a second. Right here we have documentation. So let's go and just open this. See if there's anything important, like stickers, because that's the only thing more important. Just kidding. No, just quick start, regulatory information, and warranty. So keep that safe because you need that warranty. So keep that. We have the batteries right here. Yep, we have the batteries right here. Open that in a minute. And then we have the charger. That's pretty much everything in the box. Let's go and close this. Move it to the side. Alright, let's look at the charger, and then we'll look at the rest of it. So here's the charger. Just a simple wall outlet, AC adapter. Pretty cool. It charges at 9 volts. So it's a USB. And it's a DJI branded as well, which is pretty cool. Trying to get the light more. Alright. And then we have the batteries themselves. So you get 3 of these with the combo pack. The normal one you get one, I believe. And then you have, I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Alright, so here it is, the batteries. We're just going to take one of them out. So these are 2,400 milliamps. These look nice. Very high quality lithium-ion batteries. And then you got two more. We're not going to open those. Let's go put this to the side and let's go ahead and open the actual drone. So here is the carrying pouch. Let's go and move all of this stuff out of the frame. Alright, let's go and open this. Very nice products here. Let's go ahead and take this out first. Very lightweight. It weighs at half a pound, 0.55 pounds to be exact. So it shows you how to properly unfold this. So you just unfold the left and right propellers, and then you unfold the bottom ones from left to down. And one of the stickers came off, but you just do that, and then you do the other one as well from bottom to up, and then you have your full drone. So that's pretty cool. And just go ahead and close this. Very cool, very nice and compact. Really like that. So let's go ahead and, oh, it was for the holding the propellers. So you have the remote. Let's go and open this. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy this, if you're interested, on Amazon, which is where I got it. So you have the antenna right here. No, wait. Is this antenna? Yeah, it is. I don't know how to open it. Oh yeah, you do. You open it like this. So there you go. There's the antenna. You can adjust it however you want. It's not 360 degree. You have a recording button, a picture button, a probably a zoom button, and then you have the analog sticks, which are not on here yet. You have a hover button, power on button, and then this doesn't move, does it? Oh, it does. These are for your mobile device. So you just put your phone in the bottom and you're able to use it. So that's pretty cool. Very, very nice feeling controller. Right here you have the, yep. This is the analog sticks and more propellers. And that's it. Some more propellers in there. Keep those in here. It's always nice to have extra propellers. And then right here is the charging station. Let's go and open this. This is for the batteries, so they just go in like this, and you go ahead and charge them like that. And then you put the port right here, power it on, and then you have an extra port running there as well. So this charges at 5 volts max, which is decent. Right here you have the cables to charge the charging station, as well as the batteries. So right here you have, I don't know what this is. It's a tool. Right here you have one of the charging cables. I'll open this one. No, wait. Oh yeah, it's a micro USB Type-C and Lightning adapter. I'll open that in a minute. You have, I have no clue what that is. There's too many small pieces that I just don't want to lose. This is a charging cable for, I believe, a power adapter. Yep. So you just use this, plug it in, put it in the charging base, and then you can charge those. Stuck in here. What is this one? This is a spare cable. So you get 2 cables. That's cool. Maybe one of them is to charge the controller. I don't know. Maybe it's on the bottom. It's most likely on the bottom. Nope, I don't see it. I don't know. I haven't done my research on this product yet, but I'll do a review on it once I've fully understood it. I haven't went to the expertise in the drone area. I'm mainly into like smartphones, audio, and other stuff. But now that I have a drone, I'll be able to go into the drone area. It's so hard to open these with gloves, bro. So yeah, this is the OTG, I believe, to use it on different devices. Yep, OTGs. So you have a micro USB to Lightning, Type C to micro USB, and micro USB to micro USB. It's kind of weird. I think that's micro USB, I can't tell. No, that's a different type. So it's micro USB, and then whatever this thing is, and then yeah, that's kind of weird. I've never seen that type of charging mechanism. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, this is the tool. Most likely to take off the propellers and then replace them. And then right here we have, what is this? I don't know what's in here. Whoa. I have no clue what's in here. Okay, one of those flew out. Oh, they're the analog sticks. Alright. Let's go to put those on. The other one went right. Where did it go? It's right here. Alright, so yeah, I just put the analog sticks. They're removable, obviously. I don't think it matters which way it goes. They're both the same size, yeah. So you just pop them on. That's it. Yeah, they're magnetic, or I don't know. Oops. They pop on pretty easily though. Yeah, they pop on pretty easy. Just gonna pop the other one on. Yeah, there we go. Looks very nice, and they're easily removable, which is nice. So yeah, it's really cool there. So you just get some cables. Pretty much that's all. I'm gonna go and take off my gloves because everything keeps sticking to them. So yeah, this is gonna be a very long unboxing, probably my most longest unboxing ever. Keep hitting the camera. Alright, so yeah, right here you have how to put it in the box, I think. It just says fold the front, rear properties as shown. But yeah, we can basically just put this in here or whatever. Is this bottom part removable? It's not. Let's go ahead and put the charging stuff in here. Put the cable in here. Another cable. I'm gonna put the tool with the propellers because I feel like that's the best option. And I'll put these two, no, they won't fit. Alright. Most likely going to be using the Lightning to whatever theirs is because we have an iPhone. We have an Android as well, but we have an iPhone, and basically that's what we're going to be using. So let's go and put this back. This is an overall nice drone. Now let's go and take a look at another drone. So here it is, Mavic Mini. Let's go and put the light more on. So here it is. Looks really nice. If you guys want to see a drone test, let me know. Like the video, comment down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. One more thing, I forgot to open this box, so let's go and open it. We have the little extra propellers, kind of. Let's go and open this. These bags are a bit of a pain to open. Here it is. They look really nice. They don't feel cheap. They're lightweight, but they don't feel cheap. The plastic feels nice. Let's go and open this one as well. Which is good. This Mavic Mini is mainly for lightweight and compact and just very portable, which is good. That's the whole reason of this drone. It's for portability, and I like it because of that. You can just take it on a trip. You're good. You get full access to 4K. It even has the camera, which I forgot to show, but the camera's right here. It's protected with a little guard, and you can move it however you want, position, and it just looks overall really nice. So we're gonna have some really good shots with this drone. I'll do videos of it if you guys want to see that. Make sure you like. See you guys next one.